Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia, coming to pour on this 40 by 50 centimetre canvas, I believe it is. I'm going to use some colours that have just knocked my socks off the last couple of days that I've been experimenting with them together, and I just love them. So they're only a few colours together, but I really am pleased with the outcome from them. So I'm going to give them a go on a kind of sort of a Dutch pour, I suppose, but it's we'll see how we go with this one. We'll just go with the flow, as they say. I'll get my tools out of the way. I'm going to just cover the canvas up this end. And now my dog starts barking just when I start filming. Isn't that good? Typical. Haven't heard him all day. He's been a good boy. So I'm just going to ignore the dog barks. It might be setting your dogs off. That's probably what will happen. I'm going to just cover this canvas with this and cover using this offset spatula. Nice and easy. I'll worry about the very edges of my canvas. Well, you can either just use your fingers, you can spend the time right at this point in time going over. It's completely up to you. I will not worry too much about them at this time. A recipe and links and information is in the box underneath this video in the description. All you have to do to get to that box is just click on the title of this video, click on the title, and the drop down information box will appear. Okay, I think I might cover the whole of the canvas in this. I think so. See how we go. So it's covering the whole canvas. You don't have to do white. You can make it off-white. You can make it black, blue, yellow, pink, green, orange, red, any colour you choose. There's no rules whatsoever. I know that you see a lot of artists using white and black a lot, but you do not have to. It's a personal choice. No colour works better or less than another. So what I'm going to do here, my friends, is going to kind of, this is the Dark Sea. It is just fast becoming one of my favourites amongst many that I have. So I'm going to try to make this quite simplistic, she said. Now this is Pear. The next colour is called Pear. They are absolutely beautiful together. I love them. So, and you know what? I think I might only leave it with those two colours. So, and just a good dash of, where is it? White. Yep. I'm going to put my, this is just titanium white and Floetrol. I'm just putting this in because I'm hoping it will help create some lacing in there. So I'll give that a good dash of that. And I am going to get my, this is the heat brush that I found at the charity shop for $4. So it's not a heat tool used like a butane torch would. It's just a hairbrush blower, so it doesn't blow as hot, and $4. Yeah, so let's do this thing. absolutely love those colours together. They are gorgeous. The lacing coming up, beautiful. Oh, I just love that. I love it. I will just put some heat on it. The cells are just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Just finger popping my sides while I'm here now. That is beautiful. How simple can that? How simple? That is just stunning. Now, I could leave that exactly at how it is now. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. This is the heat wand. So this will help disperse any air bubbles and bring up any cells. That's just about do it. That is gorgeous. I love it. I will bring you down to have a close-up. I'm very, very happy with that. Okay, look at the gorgeous lacing in this. It's just beautiful. So, just hoping that it all dries really well, which they usually do. So very, very happy with this. Of course, I am very tempted to put some balloons in on this, but I think I just have to, some paintings I just have to leave without balloon kissing. It's very difficult for me because I love it and it's what I love to do in my art. So I'll leave that decision to you if you're going to have a go with those very simple colours that turn out beautifully. That will go in my lounge. Gorgeous, actually. So thank you so much for joining me again today on my exploring art journey, as I am on at the moment. So until tomorrow, please take care, you guys, and I will be back with another exciting episode, hopefully. Bye for now.